Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. A couple of days ago, I was helping somebody kind of get this color, and I used the blend tool. And tonight, I was sitting there just kind of thinking, I thought, I never get to use the mesh fill tool. So we're going to move this over. I'm going to make a duplicate of it. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup it to get rid of this yellow border he has around it. Then I'm going to make another copy of it. I'm going to hold down the Control button. I'm going to add a little yellow, trying to kind of emulate that, maybe a little bit more. Then I'm going to take the green, and I'm going to go to my Mesh Fill tool, which is underneath your Interactive Fill tool and your Smart Fill tool. And I'm going to go like 3 one way. Well, you know what? Maybe 4 by 3. And then take these colors. I don't know why. I'm going to see if I can't delete those other colors. Take these colors, and I might want to do more nodes. Get the color eyedropper and put it in there. And once you take away that, if it was a rectangle or a taller item, I believe that would be it. I mean, that's almost dead on. It's way beyond what we've had the other day and really easy. That's pretty close. Maybe a little bit less yellow and maybe, you've always got a copy of it, or I always make a copy. And let's do it again. And just play around with the mesh setting. So I think if we put more grid sizes, let's go 6 and 6, but you don't have to select them all. Let's just select those and then go up to this eyedropper tool and see you've completely made it smaller. So you could back up, maybe do that. Maybe it's too bright a yellow. So let's back up one try. Let's put a little green back to this, holding down the Control button. I guess you'll just use the regular green. Go back to the mesh fill. Select whatever you think you need to. Go up to the eyedropper tool. That might be too strong, but, and it's not at an angle, but I think he's going to understand now, or maybe you do, and I think my first one was actually better. Yeah, I like the yellow more, so, and it's too square. Because you could really, really change that with the mesh fill tool. I mean, you don't have to, I don't get to use it, but you could pick these two, hold down the shift, and pick all the other ones, and then go up the eyedropper, and you're going to get, and if you put more nodes, you're going to get a different angle. I would have played around with more, take a lot more nodes. I guess they're called nodes. I don't ever get to play with it. Let's do like 10 by 10 and zoom in here. And, that way I've got it too much. Let's grab those and hold down the shift and grab all these. Well, it doesn't really matter. Eyedropper, grab that color. And I think we're too pronounced now. Look at that. Use the smoothness on the mesh tool just like we do on the interactive fill tool. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching.